So I'm going to go to some chat submitted questions. Egers, I'm going to throw one to you from Chris. Chris says, my business has been negatively affected and my income due to COVID-19 as a result. Chris is paying alimony. He wants to know if he can pay a lesser amount of alimony to his ex-spouse until the business and income improves. And if so, how does he proceed? And how does he let the spouse know, he needs to pay less? And so it's kind of a multifaceted question about alimony when a temporary reduction in pay.
So if it's in Missouri, first you have to look at the judgment of the solution to find out whether that alimony or maintenance is modifiable or non-modifiable. If it's not modifiable, it's a contractual maintenance. Unfortunately, there is nothing you can do about it as far as modifying it to decrease it because of your increase in income. If it's modifiable, however, decrease in income because you lost your job, because of the pandemic, you're affected, then that's considered a significant and substantial change of circumstance. First advice is you have to file something immediately if you're in Missouri. That's the way you put the court on notice about this change of circumstance of yours. In Missouri, if you wait, and if you don't, let's say you want to file 3 months later, the court cannot go back retroactive 3 months before. The court only can start from the date of filing. So if your order is in Missouri and it's a modifiable maintenance and you are affected by the virus and you've lost your income or have had a reduction in income like Chris, then again, a motion to modify the maintenance should be filed immediately and seek that with the court.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, the only thing is, one, get a consultation with an attorney. Retroactivity, activity, and kind of establishing that line is so important. But communicating with your ex-spouse, saying, "Hey, as you know, I'm unemployed," or if she doesn't know, saying, "I just have a decrease in pay. My business doesn't have anything coming in. We're closed because of shelter in place." Any even oral agreements are problematic. You're going to get something in writing that could be a defense, but you really can't modify it unless a judge signs off on it. So I think what's important is to establish it by filing a motion. That way, at least you're taking advantage of your rights and asserting that you can't pay, and at least you're paying something moving forward.